Hey, so just finished up a 5K. Hold on. Hey, so we just got done running a 5K. And I'm talking about my dogs. Mikey, where are you? He's so small. He's so short, I cannot get him in the frame. But yeah, I thought today would just be kind of a chill day. And I do have to go to therapy later, which is like 30 minutes away. Yeah, besides that, I don't really have anything planned. And we're just gonna see what happens today. Again, just trying to make it like chill and not super busy. Maybe I'll do chores, I have no idea, but we'll just see, So yeah, let's just start the vlog, I guess. You can do it. Good boy. Oh my gosh, so I stopped to get boba at this boba place near my therapist's office. It's the cinnamon roll milk tea with 50% sugar. It looks amazing. They don't skimp on the boba at all. This is also part of their new fall menu item. So yeah, can't wait to punch a straw through this and start drinking. We're about to find out if you can return past expiration date meat. The meat went bad, didn't know, so fingers crossed that this goes well. Am I able to exchange these two? I've never tried to do that before.
Yeah. Why it won't let me do it? Yeah, you're good.
Okay, thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Okay, that was a success. Actually, they said it wasn't letting them do it, so they just gave it to me. I got a notification that one book that I requested is ready to check out at the library. Let's go to the library. Hey, so we made it to the afternoon. Oh, hi! Hi, Ramsey! And I'm learning stick shift from Grant, so driving a manual vehicle. It's going well, so it was fun. And now I think Grant would like to go on a run, and I'm going to join him, but I'm gonna just bike next to him.
This is my bedroom.
In my husband.
Hey, good morning guys. So today is Sunday. Yesterday we did go to the hockey game and it was a lot of fun. Today my husband plays soccer from 2 to 4. I'm invited to go watch him today, but really that just means I'm gonna read my book because I'm worried about falling behind. I have to read 5 chapters a day to stay on track. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, and I might just like audiobook it while I'm reading so it helps me read faster. But before we get there, I need to vacuum and mop the house. I need to show you guys what I got from Goodwill still. I haven't done that yet. We are having steak and frites, which I guess is French fries tonight. I think it sounds like we're gonna try to make them ourselves. I've never done that before, but I'm always up for a challenge, I guess. So yeah, that's what the day looks like. So it's gonna be a good day, another good day. Like, it's just been a great weekend. The weather is so nice, but it's already almost 12, so I should probably get going. Shower, vacuum and mop, and then thrift store items, hopefully. Hey, so I thought this might be a good place to film the Goodwill haul. Most of it is for reselling, which I do sometimes, and then some of it's just for personal. Maybe I'll just start with the bigger stuff first. This is crazy. I never thought this would happen to me at a Goodwill where I'm from, but somebody left these Uggs on the bottom shelf of a shoe rack, and they are in like perfect condition. They were only $12.99 and they are a size 9, which makes me consider trying to see if I can fit and wear them myself. Next, I found like a slurry of different soccer jerseys. Here we go. Here is a long sleeve goalie jersey. It has tags still and it says $65, so I mean, I feel like somebody would want this. And then on top of that, there's another long sleeve jersey. I guess this one has the tag on it as well. I don't know if I knew these all had tags on them. Apparently they do. And they're all, I thought there was a short sleeve one, but they're all long sleeve and they all have tags. So that's great. Didn't know that. I found this Banana Republic size large, a moto jacket or something, like, even though it doesn't look like a moto jacket or motorcycle type jacket, it just looks like it's in really great condition. So that's why I got that. And I thought it was a men's jacket, but it's actually a women's jacket. Another great find. Somebody dropped off a Smart Wool quarter zip sweater. Smart Wool is a great brand to pick up, so good to find this. Okay, I guess there are 4 of these. This is the only one that's short sleeved, and this one is $60, so not bad. I don't know like who just decided they didn't need these anymore, but this is, I mean, this is pretty good. Pretty good stuff, like pretty good quality, I guess, and the brand is Adidas, obviously. I found this one walking out and saw that I had good comps. This is part of the Airy Offline series, which is kind of like their yoga brand, or like more, yeah, it's more like yoga clothes in my opinion. But this one, like, great condition, good color too, and seems to do well. I'm not quite sure if this was a good pick or not, but if you're unfamiliar, this brand is Marmo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And it is a fleece quarter zip. I think it has thumb holes. So I don't know. It just looked like it was a good quality, and yeah, the color is good too, I think. This one is crazy that somebody didn't want this anymore, but it is old. I think it's vintage. It's the Polo Sport Ralph Lauren size L. If you look at the front, like, there's this really cute stitching of like a little bear. I think it's a golf club. I'm not like totally sure. I'm gonna have to find out, but it's very cute. I don't know. These are for myself. I found, so I really like this show called Monk. It's about a detective. He has OCD, and that gets in the way of a lot of his like solving, but honestly it probably helps him in most instances. But I found books, like I found books for the series which I didn't know existed. So I found 2 of them. I'm just very excited because I didn't know that these books existed, and I am obsessed with the show. And if you haven't seen it already, you should, because it's very good. And lastly, I saw this and I asked my husband if he wanted it because we're going to Japan in December, and we're going to Kyoto as part of the trip, which is kind of like where geishas originate, I think. So we found like the Memoirs of a Geisha book, and it was only $3 in really good quality. Yeah, we've always wanted to read this book. I've seen the movie, it's very good. And that is it, actually, of all of the things that I found. Yeah, it's just random stuff. Like, you just never know what you're gonna get pretty much, and that's kind of what makes it fun. I've got to get ready to go to outdoor soccer / me reading my book. Okay, see you. Thank you guys so much for joining me these past few days. I think we started on a Thursday and now it's Sunday evening. It is Sunday evening, like I said. I'm pretty much gonna get ready to go to bed. And so yeah, I'm just gonna sign off, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.